Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Arjun Chaudhary, advocate, and today I have come again with a new episode on the series of white collar crimes. So in the last episode, we have talked about the scheduled offences, we have talked about predicate offences, we have talked about the money laundering in general. Now, today we will be talking about the penal consequences under the PMLA Act. As we all know that in every criminal proceedings, the very first penal consequence is the arrest of the individual accused of committing the offence. So generally, in offences under the PMLA Act as well, the very first penal consequence is that the person accused of committing the offence of money laundering is arrested by the ED, that is the Directorate of Enforcement. So the question comes, is there any other penal consequence under the Act in addition to arrest? The answer is yes. And are those penal consequences more severe in nature? The answer is yes. So what are the other penal consequences? So in addition to arrest, the other penal consequences are attachment of the property of the accused person which are believed to be the proceeds of crime. So a person, definitely if arrested on the charges of money laundering, there will be some proceeds of crime. So the very first thing that the ED will do is that the ED will attach the property of the accused person believed to be the proceeds of crime. So once the proceeds of crime are attached by the Enforcement Directorate, what are the next steps to be taken by the ED? The second step is that the accused person will be show caused as to why the attached properties believed to be proceeds of crime shall not be confiscated to the government. So the second step is issuance of a show cause notice to the accused persons, and thereafter the accused person will enter appearance before the adjudicating authority. Now who is the adjudicating authority? The ED. There is a special team, special committee designated by the central government under the Act, which will act as the adjudicating authority to decide whether the attached property will be treated as proceeds of crime or not. So the accused person will enter appearance before the adjudicating authority and will present his case to defend that the attached property are actually not the proceeds of crime. If he successfully defends that the attached property has indeed been derived from legible sources, then the said property will be released by the Enforcement Directorate. But if he fails to defend that the said property is not derived from legible sources but is indeed a proceed of crime, then the said property will be confiscated to the government. So that's all for today. In the next episode, we will be discussing about the remedies provided under the law after a seized property has been confiscated to the government by the Enforcement Directorate. Thank you.